Hello everyone, so this is officially the 3rd out of 5 diets that I am trying out this year as part of my experimental series called the Guinea Pig series. Now if you've been following along, you know I've already explored the vegetarian and no sugar diet, and today I am diving into my life as a flexitarian. In this vlog, I will be showing you what I ate, how I felt, and of course a little comparison to the other diets I've tried so far. Let's get into it. Okay, so it's the last day today. It's pretty much giving like my normal eating routine if I wasn't like on a diet. And my energy levels, they're okay, they're just stable. They're not like going up and down, fluctuating. They're okay. Yeah. But I will say compared to the sugar diets, this one is better. I just love how flexible I can be. Hence the name Flexitarian. It's not as restricted. I don't really see it as I really don't feel like it's a diet. I feel like it's just more of my daily life. And one thing I noticed, I actually like vegan butter. I've been cooking with vegan butter lately and I actually kind of like it. It smells like plants. It doesn't really smell that good. It really smells like plants. But I don't know, it tastes different and I kind of like the taste. It's like grassy-ish. Grass? Can I say grassy? It's kind of like grass. And this time, obviously, as you guys saw, I did go out. It was way more easier to go eat out compared to, you know, the other diets that I did. Yeah, this one I actually had fun with. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and to subscribe because I'm doing another one in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.